Popcaan reaches out to Mavado and send him condolences over the passing of his mom.
Yeah, Jackson.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so like Mr. Popcaan reaches out to Mavado, he also reach out to the other dancehall artists them that are incarcerated. We are talking about Ritical, Tommy Lee, Laden, and Vybz Kartel. So I'm going to tell you about that in a minute, right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. People, I love the vibes, I love what dancehall I go, I love the direction, I love the things that I see, I love the unity, and I love the example what them I said at the same time, right? We see the ladies them the other day, Spy Chanel Muir and Jada Kingdom. And now we see Popcaan put him differences aside with Mavado and decide to reach out. Also, Bounty Killer reach out to Mavado at the passing of his mom, right? So people, I'm going to show no Papi say in a second, but when we talk about unity, we have to talk about the former Team Spice dancer, them Rebel TC and Pretty. And they make a little fun video. I'm going to have a show in this, the Jamaican Minion. So here goes, take a look. Yeah, man, you can always depend on TC Rebel and Pretty figure with some vibes. You see me, them always have fun videos. Be a joke, then give on Instagram. And them talented as well. We all know they are talented dancers. So big them up one more time. Now, people, let's talk about Popcaan and Mavado. Before me do that, though, I want to say condolences to Mavado and his family. You know, his mother passed away recently, and we can only imagine what he got through with all the other things we are going. I have to really mention and know the story with his son. But him not short of support in the dance. A lot of artists been reaching out and sending condolences, and the latest one is Popcaan. Also mentioned say Bounty Killer send him condolences too. When you know say Bounty Killer and Mavado no good, even though Bounty Killer is the one that responsible for bringing Mavado in a music. You see me? But Papi had this to say upon him story. So him tag Mavado and him say, keep your meds firm up, same way singer. Keep fighting the fight. Condolences to you and your family. Tough times for everyone. Stay up. Unruly. Wish bad on no one. So when you hear that, no man I reach out to Mavado. Now when I go see Mavado, just answer because you know him I got you him thing. He might acknowledge it, he might not, but that is not the point. You see what I say? The good thing is that Papi just decides say big woman thing, you know what I mean? Put all of the differences, the music, all of that aside and just be a human. You see me? And later on we are gonna talk about why we don't just human from Nation Boss. Also Papi reach out to all of the artists that were incarcerated, including Laden. You see what I say? So this is what he said to Laden. Him tag Laden and him say, go and hold them famo. And also reach out to Tommy Lee and him say, Leroy, go and hold it. And him tag Tommy Lee, right? And then Ritical, you know, the young artist. Well, I'm not call him young artist, even though I'm fairly new in a music, but it's not like him never have no song. But this is what Papi said to him. Him say, stay up cause at Ritical freedom. And then Vybz Kartel and him say, go and hold them, my daddy. Life are the greatest thing. Freedom Street, we are pre. And that me I talk about people, the artists them we can really look into themselves and say, you know I'm in a business where people think me not care about what social media go say, me a look friend, me a big friend or none of that. Even though people now say that still, but you go have some naysayers. You see me? Me personally, me love what me see and me love the move where Popcaan make. We know say Popcaan a move around some very positive people in our music and some big legend. Him have a song with Beres Hammond people. You see me I say? So of course Papi a go be different, you know, and he must say the thing different. You see me? He must pre-progress and him not pre the other things them, and we have to shout out the unruly boss for that. You see me? If you don't agree with me, put it down in the comment section and tell me what you feel about what Papi just did. You see me? Reaching out to all of the artists them were locked up and reaching out to Mavado also. Now people want to show now video, you probably see this video tons and tons of time already on social media, and it's human. But this is the freestyle video that Nation Boss did and post on him Instagram, but the music video is now out, so I want to show that video, then we talk about the music video, right? So if for the first time you see this, I tell you you're going to be amazed, but if you see it already, you're still going to be amazed, because every time I listen to it, I am amazed. So take a listen to this. This is Nation Boss, and this song is called Humans. All right, so here goes. Take a listen.
When you see me, I so looking like my last, yeah. Man, I lost me just a looking at my thoughts. And I free some things where people don't mean out the past. Now act like some are perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before that COVID thing, then enough of them I wear a mask, yeah. Me watch them keenly as them try go round the bus, yeah, yeah. Loyalty come with the cost, you know, for ask, you know, what love in me heart. But anytime your heart too big, my lord, them will take you for a fool. And this is why me no like humans. This is why me no like humans. No, no. And me can't too trust no girl when me remember what she do, man. This is why me no like humans.
Yeah, people, so the music video is out, the full song is out, and may I tell you no, it's shot. You see me? As some like when time people get viral opportunity and they use it, then capitalize and turn it into something real. And we see that before with Munga, Mavado Vybz Kartel, right? Same thing, he had a viral video, them a video in Pani Road. I sing the song, then him record the song, big hit song. You see me? I say nobody can erase that out of history. And the youth, you know, nation boss, may I tell you no, I one of the most amazing thing me ever see people. Him have 2 video on him Instagram page at the time, and the 2 of them are 2 viral video, 2 single posts. You see me? The man go from nobody not knowing him to everybody know him overnight. And people, him deliver upon the song, him deliver upon the music video. That is even more amazing because when time it went viral, everybody was like, the song need to record. Him not only record the song, him give we a music video with it. I mean, I talk about no, you know what I mean, sit down around a corner music video. I talk about proper visuals. Now people, the reason why I'm not showing the music videos because it's copyrighted material and I will be running a risk, you know, with, you know, using people copyrighted material. I not have no links to Nation Boss nor the production or whosoever responsible for the song, so me just can't talk about it. You see me? But me I got encourage you know to go over there and watch it. People already are watching it. Everybody did a wait on it, so you want to know so the song already a shot. The last time I see it, within an hour, the upwards are like 6,000 views and I go. You see me? I say right now it probably when I first day probably reach 100,000. You see me? But if you don't know the song, people, me are telling it's an amazing song. The second verse is even more amazing, and the visuals, like myself, go with it, is amazing. So go and check it out. Now, people, me just gonna leave it this off it today. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody wanna big up. If you wanna watch Nation Boss, tell them say Dancehall IG. Send you know. All right, stay safe.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.